Welcome to the Canada Water Clinic. Here are directions from the Canada Water Tube Station. First, leave the barriers and walk straight ahead. Take the exit marked Shopping Centre, Lower Road. Head up the stairs onto street level. There is a lift at the station if required. Head down Surrey Quays Road. Continue along Surrey Quays Road until you reach the zebra crossing. Cross over the zebra crossing to the dock offices. Walk along the pathway between the buildings on the left-hand side. Follow the pathway until you reach 1011 dock offices. You will find us in the courtyard of the building. 1011 dock offices, Surrey Quays Road, London, SE16 2XU. We look forward to welcoming you.